Hello everybody, it's Wendy, and today we are unboxing the Adornable Elements Beads of the Month Club for February 2023. So first of all, our encouraging word for today is escape the ordinary. And I like this one because this box is anything but ordinary. Number one, they have several clubs that you can choose from. This is a monthly subscription service. The price is based on which club you choose. They're different, but they have offered a 10% off of the first box of each club that you choose to be a part of. So I will link everything in the description box below and you can check them out. They have all different clubs and, like I said, 10% off of the first month's club. So that's really nice for each one that you join. So very generous. But first of all, we're going to get into this today. This is the Double Fire Polished Beads of the Month Club. And this is, again, February 2023. I'm jumping ahead a whole month. And this one is called Amethyst Cluster. So first of all, we have some beautiful, these are all fire polished beads. They have this little code here, and it matches up with the code on their little key here. So it makes it really nice so you can see, you know, exactly what everything is. So this is FPR 06. So I would look on here and look for FPR, and I believe because it's a 6mm round, that is this one. So this is Alexandrite Luster Round 6mm, and these little tops come out like that. I'm not very good at getting them out without making a mess, but they do come out. Okay, so look how beautiful. Oh my goodness, sparkly, just gorgeous fire polish beads. I already know what I'm going to do with this box, or at least one thing I'm going to do with it. So there will be a tutorial coming up with that. These are absolutely stunning. Ooh. And I will get those lids. Well, that one went back in pretty easy. Okay. Then we have, this one is FPR 03. So I would look on there for the FPR and the 3mm. And this is full Labrador round. And there are 300 pieces in here. That is a lot of beads. Full Labrador round. These are little 3mm fire polish. Aren't they beautiful? Very, very pretty. Okay. Then we have FPD 57. And this one is the Alexandrite AB drop 5x7mm, and you get 60 pieces. Oh, these are pretty. Wow. Look at those. Aren't they beautiful? They've got that AB coating on them, which just makes them so pretty and sparkly. And AB stands for Aurora Borealis, and that is this iridescent sort of coating that you see on there. See that? That is AB. Okay, next we have FPRB 78, and this is a crystal AB matte rosebud, 7x8mm. Ooh, these are pretty. Look at those. They're carved, and they are matte, which is really cool, that frosted look with the crystal AB coating on them. These are beautiful. That one's laying really, so you can see the coating and that carving. Oh, these are pretty. Okay. Then, I'll get that lid back on. We have FPDN 57. This is the Alexandrite Rondelle 5x7mm. I love this shape, this little rondelle shape. And these fire polish rondelles are always so sparkly and pretty. Wow. And it does tell the amount. I haven't been saying that, but these you get 40 pieces. They're all very good amounts in these little containers. I mean, you're going to get a lot of stuff out of these. Okay, then we have FPR04. So these would be 4mm metallic frost gray. No, they're not. 4mm milky white rounds. 150 pieces. These are pretty. They look almost opal. Look at how pretty those are. I love this box. I love the purple, the light colors of purple that they've put in here. And the white and silver together. Oh, it's so pretty. Those are gorgeous. Then we have ASO06. These are Alexandrite Antique Octagonal 6mm. I'm sorry. These I've thought I've heard these called cathedral beads as well. Not sure why, but I think I've heard them called that. They're very pretty. They have this coating on the ends, the silver light coating on the ends. Antique Octagonal 6mm. Very pretty. I think these are my favorite thing in the box so far. They're just gorgeous. I love the color too. They're this light. They're using it's called Alexandrite. Just really pretty. The box says amethyst cluster, but I like all these lighter purples. They're beautiful. And then last but not least in the beads, we have these Alexandrite. No, these are not Alexandrite. These are the metallic frost gray round 8mm. I get confused so easily today. These are pretty. I love the holes in Firepolish beads. They're these rounded kind of, they're just really cool. Very pretty. So this box, all these together, let me get these back in here and I will show you everything together. And then we're going to open up the findings pack. So aren't these just, whoops, I did not get the lid back on those, did I? Aren't these just beautiful all together? So pretty. Look at that. I didn't get the lid back on those very well, but there they all are. Really, really, really pretty. Okay, so now there is an optional findings pack that you can get along with the box. This is Bright Silver, the Findings Companion Pack. Findings Companion Pack. So let's see what we've got some pretty stuff in here too. They always have the most unique things in this. I love this. So there's a squiggle bookmark. So you can make a dangle here, and this is a bookmark. That's really cool. These are not something you see in a lot of subscription boxes, so very unique and different. Nice. It's beautiful. Let me dump this out here real quick. We have connector links, 4 of these little guys. Oh, these are cute. They look like little paw prints almost. So little connectors. So it can be a reducer, 3 strands down to 1. It can be a connector just to connect 2 things together. It could be a tiny chandelier finding. That would be really cute. Very pretty. You get 4 of those. Then we have a heart pinch bell. That's this. This is, I've never seen one like this before. This is so cool. Look at that. Beautiful heart pinch bell. Wow, I love that. Then we have a magnetic clasp. You get, let's see, 2 of these. That's these little guys right here. And they are quite strong. Whoops. Yeah, I'm going to lose it trying to get it. I just wanted to see how strong they are. They are very strong. Wow. Normally, I would not use a magnetic clasp on a bracelet, but I think this one I would. They are, wow, they're strong. Okay. Ooh, there's 2 of them. Watch out. All right, magnetic clasps. Then we have a Renaissance clasp, which I think has to be this because it's the only thing left that's a clasp. That's very pretty. Toggle. Beautiful. Okay. Then we have oval jump rings, 17 gauge. Now these are nice. I love oval jump rings. I feel like they're so secure, and these are 17 gauge, so they're really thick. Those are nice. Okay, then we have leverback earrings with flower. Oh, these are cute. Look at these. Look at the little flower. Those are adorable. Little leverbacks. I like leverbacks. They're secure. Fish hooks, I seem to lose the earrings when I wear fish hooks. I have so many one lone earrings hanging in there because they've fallen out. Fish hooks. So I prefer levers. Endless hoop earrings. 1¼ inches. These are cool. So you would just bead this up and then you bend this and you create a loop through here. So very cool. Those are pretty. Those will be very versatile. I like hoop earrings too. And then spiral head pins, 19 gauge, 2 inch. These I love. They've had these in here before and I just think they're so cute. They always have some really cool head pins in here. So there they are. So that is the Companions Finding Pack. So the Adornable Elements Beads of the Month Club for February, absolutely beautiful. Check them out. Like I said, I will link in the description box below. And I do have that coupon code, so it'll all be there in the description box. And wow, what a beautiful, beautiful box. So stay tuned for the tutorial. We're going to do a tutorial. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you haven't rung the bell, you won't know when I upload it. If you do subscribe and ring the bell, then you will know, or YouTube will let you know when I upload that video. So please do that. Subscribe and ring the bell. And yeah, Adornable Elements, Beads of the Month, Firepolish. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful package this month. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.